Hey guys, Christina with Short Staff here. So I've been getting a lot of questions about Super Bowl parties. So I know we're all really excited about it. And so I'm gonna go over how to throw the most epic Super Bowl party. You guys ready? Let's go. So, of course, with Super Bowl, it's all about finger foods and appetizers. You're not having a sit-down meal. People are not congregating around a dinner table. Not only are finger foods super easy to lay out and prep, but your guests are gonna love them because they're not gonna have to actually sit down and eat them. So easy for you, easy for them, win-win. If you're looking for something a little bit more hearty to feed your guests, go with all the beer as well. You can definitely make a quick and easy Crock-Pot chili. It's definitely one of my favorite go-tos. There's a lot of different options you can use. You can use your favorite beans, you can use your favorite meat, you can make meatless, add cheese, whatever. It's totally up to you. And you can also do a chili topping bar, which is really fun. So not only does chili stay warm in your Crock-Pot, and is it also easy with a lot less mess, you can leave the ladle in and your guests can serve themselves and then go to your little chili bar, right? So you can put things like cheese and sour cream and even green onions if you want to get a little fancy. So it's easy to make, easy to serve, and easy to clean up when you're done. Plus the Crock-Pot keeps it hot so your guests can just keep coming back for more. Yes, everybody decorates for the Super Bowl party. You were ridiculous if you're not decorating for your Super Bowl party. You pick your favorite teams. It's your home, so you can definitely decorate more in your team than the other team. But be cognizant of your guests also. Give them a little bit something. So throw in their team. You can also do some general Super Bowl and football appetizers and decorations. So have all those finger foods. You can easily make them Super Bowl by simply like those little brownies. You can put white icing, make it look like a football. Super easy, super fun. You can also do dip in the shape of a football. Put out some chips, you're good to go. Now let's talk more about decorations. It's really your choice, but usually it's done in the theme of whatever team you like. If you love Green Bay, green and yellow, all the way. You can easily decorate by just spicing up your tablecloths, cups, napkins, coasters, throw up a couple stickers or decor for your favorite team or even your team's colors, which is even easier and less expensive than, say, having to go buy some NFL stuff. And dressing up your appetizers, along with the table that you're gonna put your food on and all of those little utensils, it's a simple, inexpensive, and easy way to spice up your party. So it has all happened to us. We walk away for 1 second and we miss the best play of the game. Not this year. Why? Because this year, you're gonna use the Short Staff app. You're gonna download it, you're gonna find an awesome server and staff, and you're never going to have to walk away from the TV once. No more pulling beer to keep it cold, refilling ice, making your friends a cocktail, because you hired a bartender on Short Staff. You got a bartender making drinks, a server cleaning up after you. All you gotta do is watch the game and enjoy time with your friends. No more pulling beer to get cold, making your friends a cocktail, or getting up to get more ice. Let Short Staff do it. Enjoy every second of the game and every moment with your friends. Yes to this. My friends are a complete mess when we're watching sports. They don't notice when the beer spills or there's chips on the floor because we're all so involved in watching the game, except for me, because I'm looking at the table being like, oh my God, I have to clean. I need a towel, but I don't want to interrupt them. So then what am I doing? I'm not watching the game with my friends. I'm cleaning. So how can you resist the urge to clean? You can post on Short Staff for server and event hand, and then the entire time while you're watching the game with your friends, somebody is coming around, picking up plates, picking up napkins, picking up cups, those chips, maybe that festive colored popcorn that you made for the game that has food dye on it that's now on your carpet. They'll also be cleaning that up. And instead of cleaning during the halftime show, maybe this year you can actually watch it. Thanks, Short Staff. So let's recap. Finger foods rule for your Super Bowl party. You want easy, quick, and clean apps for you and your friends. Super Bowl decorations. You can make anything Super Bowl themed by just adding the colors of your favorite team and spruce up your table settings and appetizers. Drinks during the game. Host for a bartender on short staff. Let your short staff bartender refill the drinks and keep the beer cold. And finally, messy friends. Stop missing the game to clean up after your friends and stop letting your house be a wreck after you have an amazing party. Host for server or event hands on short staff to keep your food station clean, your guests happy, and clean up those spilled drinks or food. Enjoy every moment with your friends this Super Bowl. Host on short staff for bartender, event hands, cleanup, and more. No matter who wins, we all have a good time. Cheers to that. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe below if you like our video. Don't forget to download Short Staff. And I hope everybody has a super amazing Super Bowl party. Bye.